Hi friends, this video shows how to fix water pump not working issue. First I am going to explain the circuit diagram so we can easily fix the issue. So here you can see one circle. This is a motor. Inside this motor you can see one run winding and one start winding. And there is a cable which is going outside from the run winding. That is a red cable. There is another cable which is going outside from this start winding, that is the yellow cable. There is one more cable which is going outside from the motor, that is a blue cable. You can see this blue cable is connected to both run and start windings, so we call it as a common cable. You can see this blue cable is connected to the neutral of the main power supply, and this red cable is connected to the face of the main power supply. And there is a capacitor. You can see capacitor here. This capacitor is connected to red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. So this location of capacitor is very important. We need to find where this capacitor is connected, then only we can replace the capacitor. Motor will not start if this capacitor is damaged. In that case we need to replace the capacitor. We need to add new capacitor. So we can connect new capacitor to red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. So let me explain that with the starter box. As I explained with the starter box, we need to find where this capacitor is connected. You can see there is one black cable coming from the capacitor. These two black cables, these are coming from the capacitor. That cables are connected to these two ports. So we need to find what is these two ports. For that we can use this cover. Just put this cover back, and in that cover they marked, you can see two main, two motor, two main. So here we need to connect phase and neutral from the main power supply. Two motor, here you need to connect red, yellow and blue cables which are coming from the motor. You can see red and blue. This is a location where this capacitor is connected. So here you can see red and blue capacitor is connected here. We can remove the screws and you can remove the cables. See, then we can remove the capacitor. Just remove the screws which are holding the capacitor. Then you can buy a new capacitor, then we can add it here. When you buy a new capacitor, first check the values of existing capacitor. You can see 36 MFT, 5 plus or minus 5%, 440 VSC and 50 Hz. So buy a new capacitor with the same value and you can place it here. When you add a new capacitor, make sure that you connect it to the red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. That is the main thing. It is very easy. We can easily replace the capacitor. Just connect it to the two red and yellow wires which are coming from the motor. So this way we can fix the motors not starting issue. So let me explain the same circuit diagram with another diagram. Here you can see red, yellow and blue. These three cables actually is coming from the motor, red, yellow and blue. So you can see this blue is connected to the neutral of the main power supply, and this red is connected to the face of the main power supply, and there is a capacitor which is connected to red and yellow wires which are going to the motor. And this part is optional. This we need only if we need an LED light, and if you want a switch you can connect that switch here in the phase line. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.